Students, welcome to my channel, and I'm here with the new video for you. So today we are going to learn about the cell cycle. So what is cell cycle basically? A cell cycle is the different events which are taking place in the cyclical manner in the cell. So here the cell division, it is known to you, cell divides into two daughter cells, and that division is called as mitosis. It is known to all of us. So this cell divides into two daughter cells. These daughter cells also has the same number of chromosomes as that of the parent cell. So that is 2n number of chromosomes. And the parent cell also has got the 2n. Now if this is to be happen, then the cell must duplicate its genetic material, isn't it? Before its division, the cell duplicates or multiplies it for its genetic material, and then only the daughter cells can get the same number of chromosomes or same genetic material, same amount of genetic material. And this the before division, the cell has to prepare for all these things. The events which are taking place in this preparation and actual division can be studied in the cell cycle. The cell cycle basically divides into two major parts. So these two major parts or two major phases are interphase and M phase. Okay, so this interphase is further divided into three phases. One is G1 phase, this is G1 phase, then the S phase and G2 phase. Now in this G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase, all these together called as the interphase. Now this much portion, it requires about 89 hours, and only 1 hour is required for the actual cell division, that is M phase. This is the M phase. Okay, so G1, S and G2, they together called as interphase, and the M phase, which is a very small portion shown here in a green color. So this mitosis, the cell nucleus divides, pairs of chromatids separates from each other. Now this cell G1 is a gap phase in which the cell grows itself and accumulates essential proteins for DNA building or the replication of the DNA. It grows itself, then number of events takes place, number of preparations or multiplication takes place, that is cell organelles such as mitochondria, ribosomes, lysosomes, vacuoles, all get produced in the G1 phase. Now in this phase there is also synthesis of the RNAs and proteins. Okay, so there is synthesis of RNA, there is synthesis of proteins, there is synthesis of different cell organelles, and along with that ATP is also synthesized. And finally cell grows here in the in this growth phase, in the G1 phase, and it requires about 6 to 12 hours. Okay, so the next phase of the interphase is S phase. So S stands for synthesis. During this phase, DNA synthesis occurs. During the S phase, DNA replication takes place. So cells start replicating chromosomal DNA and results in the pair of chromatids at centrometric region. So this is the phase of the interphase, that is S phase, is nothing but the synthesis of the DNA or replication of the DNA. This period lasts for about 35 to 40% of the interphase. each chromosome becomes two chromatids, and the histones are also synthesized during this phase. Okay, then the last phase of the interphase is G2 phase. The G2 phase is the gap 2, a gap period between S phase and a mitotic phase. This is G2, which is present in between the S synthesis phase and mitotic phase. Then the mitotic phase of the cell cycle G2 is the second growth phase. The nucleus increases in the volume, then metabolic activities which are essential for cell division occur during this phase. Then mRNA, tRNA, rRNA synthesis also takes place during the G2 phase. Then mitochondria divides here. Mitotic spindle begins to form. The G2 phase is followed by the next phase, that is mitotic phase. So this is the G2 phase, in which intensive cellular synthesis takes place, mitochondria division takes place, energy storage also occurs here. Then mitotic spindle formation beginning takes place. Then cycling E destroyed in this G2 phase, and finally the mitotic cycling begins to rise. So interphase is nothing but the preparation of the cell for getting divided. So after that, after the completion of the interphase, the M phase starts, that is mitosis, or the division, actual division of the cell begins here in the mitosis. Now we know the mitosis is divided into four stages basically. First one is prophase, then metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. But if you see this mitotic phase is divided into karyokinesis and then cytokinesis. So what is mean by karyokinesis? Karyokinesis refers to the division of the nucleus into two daughter nuclei, and this karyokinesis, actually the karyokinesis which takes place, that has subphases, substages like prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. That is, these all four stages are of karyokinesis. And cytokinesis refers to the division of the cytoplasm. The cytokinesis is the cytoplasm division resulting into two daughter cells. So nucleus divides here. M phase promoting factor initiates assembly of the mitotic spindle, breakdown of nuclear envelope, and condensation of the chromosome occurs. M phase promoting factor activates the anaphase promoting complex. So M phase promoting factor means the mitotic phase promoting factor activates the anaphase promoting complex, APC complex. The anaphase promoting complex allows the sister chromatids to separate and move to the poles. The APC destroys the cyclin M, and APC turns on the synthesis of G1 cyclins for the next turn of the cell cycle. So here we will discuss the mitosis in detail in the next lecture. But in this video, what we have seen the overview of the cell cycle, that is what this cell cycle is made up of. It is made up of two major phases. One is interphase and another one is mitotic phase. Interphase is the preparation of the cell for the mitosis or for getting divided, and the G1S, in simple words, the G1 is nothing but the preparation of the DNA or duplication of the DNA. Okay, whatever is required, whatever raw material is required for the synthesis of DNA is it happens or it occurs in the G1 phase. S is the actual synthesis of the DNA or replication of the DNA, and G2 phase is the phase in which it starts the preparation of mitosis or division, cell division, and this mitosis is actual division of the cell into two daughter cells. Again, this mitosis can be further divided into two stages. One is karyokinesis, in which cells divides and the chromosomes divides, and the cytokinesis means the cytoplasm divides into two daughter nuclei, and complete two cells are formed here in the cytokinesis process. So this is all about the overview of the cell cycle. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.